Hi guys, welcome back. Um, anyway, first off, I was feeling a little, in my last vlog, I think I mentioned that my sinuses were kind of bothering me and I wasn't exactly feeling really bad, but, hold on a second, I'm gonna have to go around because one of them, yesterday we went and got groceries and hold on a second, where is it? Oh, right here. Sorry if that's a little dark, because I've mentioned in my vlogs before this, the light is not always as good, but anyway, yeah, we went and got groceries yesterday, and I got one of these, but I'm not really sure if all, I'm not the best judge on sparkling water, if all sparkling water is caffeinated, but that's caffeinated. This was one I've never tried before. I know I probably sound like, you know, anyway, I'm starting to get a little cold. I might go outside in a minute. But I'm going to drink some of this first. It's called Triple Berry Bubbly Bounce. Let me see, is my teapot? Yeah, it's still a little warm, so I might have some more tea in a little bit. But anyway, what I was trying to say is that I thought I was doing fine when I woke up, but coming to find out, I got up and then I was feeling crappy. Yeah, I got some more juice and I'm kind of glad I did because, hi Cloud, hi Cloud. I have basically not exactly sneezed. I sneezed like once, but I've coughed most of the morning, and I'm probably gonna have me another cup of coffee in another hour. I mean, probably later on this afternoon. So far, I am not a big fan of this this cinnamon apple one that I got. It could be because the way my sinuses are feeling, because I've never tried it before, but like to me, when you can taste the cinnamon right off. But like when I first had Earl Grey, I didn't like it, but the second or third time I liked it right off. So probably later on today, I'm gonna get me another cup of this. It's called cinnamon apple spice, and it's supposed to basically be like I got it because, one, I've never had it before, and it made me think of apple cider, you know. And they had the country peach one that I really like. And the other one I got was an immune boost sleepy time. So I still had some green tea left. So, and some of my raspberry tea. So, other than that, I need to make up my iced tea that, you know, I made up earlier. So I'll probably do that after I'm done with this. And I had me a little snack. I had me a little oatmeal. I got me some oatmeal cream pies. I used to eat those a lot when I was a kid. And because we got some yesterday. Some little snacks. And yesterday I made a really bad decision. Well, I wouldn't say it was really bad. It's just, you know, sometimes when you go to town and it's like, I like pickled okra. And ever since I was like maybe 11, 12. And then, you know, sometimes like when you get something and you don't know and you don't realize it's spicy or it's hot. And like when I went to eat pickled okra last night, I was like, I started to notice that the top of my mouth was burning. And I was like, uh-oh. So I looked at the jar and it said hot. So I was like, that happens every once in a while. So I was just like, it's all right. It's all right. But, anyway, besides me when I first got up, I have been coughing nonstop and sinus drainage, you know, and I think it has a lot to do with me cleaning all the time, or it may not. It's just, you know, a lot of the pollen, you know, outside and stuff. And I'm about to go outside, you know. Do y'all want to go outside with me? Come on. Y'all want to go outside? Come on. You want to go outside? Come on. Sorry if it's a little bright. But anyway, normally, there are a couple things I haven't mentioned that I usually do, like, say, sometimes I'll do it, like, right before dinner or right after dinner, but normally I'll do it, like, right after dinner. I'll come out here, like, right here in the backyard, and I'll even, like I said, right in the backyard, and I'll even go in the front yard, like, to pick up sticks, you know, so, so when it's time for us to mow, and it probably won't be much longer, and, you know, because fall is on its way, which I've said before I'm looking forward to. I'm sorry if that's a little bright. Yesterday, we had not, I wouldn't say a lot. Oh, I almost twisted my ankle there. I'm trying to get out of the sunlight so it's not so bright. It was really cloudy here, and it was, I guess you can say, storming for a little bit, but by the time we got back, it wasn't so bad. But yeah. I mostly come. I'm about to go back in. Sorry, it's just, I had to tell Cloud that. You want to go back in? But yeah, I normally just go out there like on Tuesdays and Thursdays and pick up what sticks there are, and then what is it, Bossy? But anyway, yeah. But like I said, I noticed that when I got up this morning, I was feeling not really myself. I noticed as soon as I got up and I started walking downstairs, I had to, because first thing I usually do is just let Clyde out. And then, because I got up about like 9:30. And, because yesterday I got up about 8. I'm trying to start getting up early again. But I'm about to get off here and my hip is hurting again. But anyway, I will try and have this up, and I will see y'all in the next vlog. Alright, bye guys. Bye.